The 1951 Chevrolet 3100 is more than just a vintage truck. It is an enduring symbol of post-war American craftsmanship. As part of Chevrolet's advanced design series, this half-ton pickup set the standard for durability, style, and performance in the early beats. More than 7 decades later, it remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. The design of the 1951 Chevrolet 3100 stands out with its rounded fenders, split windshield, and bold front grille that screams classic Americana. Unlike modern pickups, which focus on aggressive lines and large bodies, the 3100 emphasizes simplicity with a touch of elegance. Chrome accents, smooth curves, and a wooden bed floor add to its vintage charm. In 1951, Chevrolet introduced vent windows for improved ventilation, an innovation for its time. The cab was also roomier than earlier models, designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. Under the hood, the 3100 came equipped with a 216.5 cubic inch Thriftmaster inline-six engine, producing 92 horsepower and 176 lb-ft of torque. While modest by today's standards, this engine delivered plenty of low-end power for the farm and small business owners of the era. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the truck provided a reliable and straightforward driving experience. Handling was solid, thanks to its heavy-duty suspension and strong ladder-frame chassis. Though it's not built for speed or high-performance cornering, the 3100's smooth ride and robust build quality made it a dependable workhorse. The interior of the 1951 Chevrolet 3100 is simple yet functional. The dashboard featured easy-to-read gauges, and the bench seat was designed for practicality and durability. Although it lacked modern conveniences like air conditioning or advanced audio systems, the minimalist design is part of what makes driving a 3100 such a nostalgic experience. One of the biggest reasons for the enduring popularity of the 3100 is its legendary reliability. These trucks were built to last, with straightforward mechanical systems that make them easy to repair and maintain. Replacement parts are still widely available, and there's a strong community of enthusiasts willing to help with restorations. Today, a well-maintained or restored 1951 Chevrolet 3100 can fetch anywhere from $25,000 to over $60,000, depending on its condition and originality. Custom builds with modern engine swaps and updated interiors can command even higher prices at auctions. Its iconic design and historical significance make the 3100 a desirable piece for classic car collectors. The 1951 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a truck. It's a piece of American history. Its timeless design, dependable engineering, and rich heritage have cemented its place as one of the most beloved classic pickups ever built. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just someone who appreciates vintage automotive design, the 3100 remains a shining example of Chevrolet's golden era.